Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up to your Bumble dating application on your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your Bumble application. Now from over here, you can either log in with your Facebook account or your mobile number. For now, I'm choosing the mobile number. Simply you need to enter your mobile number over here and just click on this arrow. You need to verify your number just clicking on OK button. Now the code will be sent to your mobile number. Now guys, simply copy this code and just paste over here. And again you just need to click on this arrow. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. If you want to save your location, just click on set your location service. But for now I'm clicking on not now. Now from over here guys, you just need to enter your first name and choose your date of birth and simply click on next button and again click on the confirm button. Now from over here you just need to choose your gender and clicking on next. Again you just need to tap on the next button. Guys, from here either you can choose the date or the BFF. I'm go for the date and again you just need to enter the next button. Now from over here you can choose more than one answer and change it anytime. For now I'm choosing the man and enter the next. Guys, from over here you need to choose one or two option. I'm choosing the first one and the second one and again tap the next button. Now guys, you just need to enter your height, but for now I'm skip this. Guys, from here you can at least add the 4 photos, whether it's you with your pet, eating your food or in a place you love. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.